Welcome to Paris. Welcome to the ESC Biannual Congress here in Paris, and also very warm welcome to our project live studio here in the center of the Congress. So it is my pleasure to introduce you with this unique project that we are going to stream all 4 days through all the Congress. So this live studio was piloted in Helsinki, and it seems to be very exciting for all our participants. So we decided to continue and to bring you the most valuable interviews from our speakers, also from our guests, and also from our industrial partners. So stay tuned for all those 4 days, and because the studio is dedicated to bring this Congress beyond the walls of this Congress Center. So actually, we want to reach you. Are you in Tokyo? Are you in Brazil? Are you in South Africa? You are. The spirit will be brought to you, to your home, to your heart. Uh, First of all, I want to thank you, all my team. I want to thank ESC board and the administrators for the trust and also for the support. I would like to thank AIM Milan Communication Group that are making this project going smooth and for their support. And I would like to introduce you my colleagues from the ESC Communication and Engagement Committee. And this is group that will be contributing all the interviews during all those days. So you will see their faces, you will see their interaction with our guests of the studio. Guys, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, hello. Thank you for a nice introduction. Welcome you all to our ESD conference here and in our live studio. My name is Zinga and I'm from Vilnius, from Lithuania. And from tomorrow, please come and join us to our live studio here and we will meet. Stay tuned.
Hi all, it's my great pleasure and honor to be one of the members of the Communication and Engagement community. My name is Hubert Golewek and I'm from Poland. And I hope that you will join us and see you tomorrow and next days.
Hi, my name is Monica Eriksson and I work in Sweden. I would like to thank you, Laura, for engaging me in this communication committee. And I look forward to meet you all here in live studio. I'm going to be interviewing our fantastic speakers on Friday, but you have to be here every day from today. Welcome.
So yes, so follow us on the social media. We will be posting the program, so you can see who is going to participate in our live studio, and you can see us directly, or you can actually join us whenever you want, because the videos will stay for a long time on the social media and YouTube. Thank you, guys.
Thank
you
you
all,
Thank
and
you.
see you
See you
soon.
soon.